Thank you for coming to Sushi Academy. My name is Toru. I'm a new instructor today. Nice to meet you. We are going to practice, then we're gonna make real sushi. Turn to the fish side on top, press side gently. These 4 fingers close. Turn clockwise, 180 degrees. Please smooth down. So let's make the real sushi now. I need to tell you the 2 points to make a good sushi. 1 point is make a sushi on your finger. Never make sushi on the palm. Second point, if you keep a lot of air inside, rice spread in your mouth and you feel more delicious. I'll show you how to cut sushi piece like this. Then when the knife is almost coming to the end, go straight up and cut off. Back to around the finger joint, clockwise, put on the wasabi, put on the rice on the fish. When the lesson is almost the end, you're gonna be a chef.
It was a bit scary because I thought my sushi might fall apart, but it was fun.
Sushi!